What is a blast furnace? A blast furnace is a massive industrial structure used to extract iron from iron ore. Raw materials, including iron ore, coke, and limestone, are fed from the top. Hot air is blasted into the bottom of the furnace. This creates extremely high temperatures that melt the materials. The coke acts as fuel and helps remove oxygen from iron ore. Molten iron collects at the bottom of the furnace. Lighter impurities form slag and float on top. Both materials are tapped separately for further processing. That is how a blast furnace works.